I haven't slept in 7 years, been racing my gears, can't dream my fantasy, run free on TV. You have, I have. Why can't we agree? We fight inside your broken head, go fix it instead. I think the best when I cannot breathe. We only talk inside of your dead head. I'm volunteering for the one to want as much more. You're burning roses when you're scared. I'm sorry I care. I'm not myself, but I don't need help. Our golden blood made of rocks and mud. I'm not myself, but I don't need help. Our golden blood made of rocks and mud. Made of rocks and mud. Rocks and mud. I'm not myself. I don't need help. Our golden blood made of rocks and mud. I'm not myself. I don't need help. Our golden We can't change, that everything will always change. But we'll remember this as it is today in time. We both know you won't be mine. Oh, memories, defining our memories as the difference between you and me. Writing our history and creating our memories. Defining our memories as the difference between you and me. Writing our history, creating our memories. Oh, memories. distance between you and me, writing our history, creating our memories. Oh, memories. How you used to say the future's on its way, recalling memories, photos of you and me. How you used to say the future's on its way. Oh, memories. Oh, memories. We were built to last, a permanent high, colliding like the stars in the sky. And I give you my all, but now I see that you could never love me for me. I don't wanna give my all, put myself in your hands, to have you let me slip right through your fingers like sand. And I have been so caught up that I didn't even see that you could never love me for me. 'Cause you mold me into something else, change me into what you want. All I ever did was love, and it wasn't good enough. We are trying to make this garden for two, but you had brought the cold and the roses never bloom. No, the roses never bloom. Ah, ah, ah. No, the roses never bloom. Ah, Something in me told me we'd be walking on thin glass, but I just continued on to fall, stepping over every crack. And I got bruised, I had slipped, I'd fallen to my knees, and you were ice to the touch, and I will love you till I freeze. But you mold me into something.